So today I am so ecstatic about the recipe I'm making today, which is my Mad Mac and Cheese. So let me give you just a little bit of history on this wonderful mac and cheese that I call Mad Mac and Cheese. It's from my cookbook, Dining in Paradise. And the name came up while I was writing this cookbook because I wanted to give you the best of everything. And when it comes to mac and cheese, I've always thought that my grandmother made the most luscious mac and cheese. That was until I met my girlfriend, Maddie Ledard. Okay, hence the pun, Mad Mac and Cheese. Maddie makes the most scrumptious mac and cheese throughout the Bahamas, throughout the Caribbean. Okay, I'll go as far as to say that because she just holds nothing back. The ingredients in this recipe is so rich and savory that just hugs onto your soul, and don't let go because it is the ultimate comfort food. As we all know, we inherited mac and cheese from our southern neighbors. But I would say in the Caribbean, we elevated it as we add ingredients as delicious vegetables, spices, a little Caribbean flavor with just a tidbit pepper sauce for that balance, and 3 cheeses. Very rich, delicious. This recipe is life-changing. Follow me. So here are the ingredients that we'll be using for this luscious mac and cheese. We have a half of onion diced, 1 celery stalk finely diced, red bell pepper finely diced, and green bell pepper finely diced. Now, if you want, you can also use orange bell peppers, yellow bell peppers. You can just go ahead with a tri-bell pepper group there. And then, of course, we have my aromatic RAQUEL'S seasoning salt. You'll find the recipe below and on my webpage. And then we have some wonderful smoked paprika, about a tablespoon of Caribbean pepper sauce. We can't have a Mad Mac and Cheese without fragrant, fresh thyme leaves. We have about 2 tablespoons of butter, a cup of sour cream, 2 eggs slightly beaten, the cream of the Caribbean, evaporated milk. This is about 2 cups of it. And then we have 35% cream. I'll be using approximately 3 cups. This is one scrumptious, luscious mac and cheese. And then, of course, we have our marble cheddar. And this is my shortcut to not having both white cheddar and yellow cheddar. So a way to take care of that is just get a mix. Just get 2 blocks of marble cheddar. This is about 800 grams. And of course, Parmigiano Reggiano. This is about 2 cups. And we have 4 cups of elbow pasta. Using a 4-quart pot, halfway filled with boiling water, you want to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, a teaspoon of salt, and then we're going to add our onions to it. We're going to go ahead and add celery and our beautiful tri-bell peppers. And as I said, if you didn't have red, you can use orange or yellow. Any combination will do. So we're going to add our elbow pasta to this mixture, and we're going to cook it until the pasta is al dente, a bit firm to the touch or firm to the tooth, as we're also going to bake this. When the pasta is cooked perfectly, then we drain it, and then we're going to put it into a large mixing bowl. We then add our butter, about 2 tablespoons. Then we're going ahead to just mix our butter, and then we're adding our evaporated milk, about 2 cups. After our evaporated milk, we're going in with Parmigiano Reggiano. This is a rich and creamy mac and cheese, a 3-cheese mac and cheese to be specific. So then we go in with our marbled cheddar, which is white cheddar and yellow cheddar combined. And as we add our cheddar, we're just going to mix thoroughly. Then we're going in with 35% cream. This is a thick, heavy cream. We're going to mix well. And more marbled cheddar. I did say this was going to be very decadent. After that, we have 2 whole eggs, slightly beaten. And the reason why we add the eggs after is because we don't want scrambled eggs. We're going in with 1 tablespoon of RAQUEL'S seasoned salt, adding some fresh thyme leaves, a teaspoon of it. Mixing again thoroughly as we go along. 1 tablespoon of Caribbean pepper sauce. And then my favorite, a 1/4 teaspoon of that smoked paprika. The icing on the cake is 1 cup of sour cream, ladies and gentlemen. This calls for a very rich and creamy mac and cheese. It's time to pour this into our 13 by 9 inch baking dish. Or if you like centimeters, 33 by 23 centimeters. We top it with the rest of our marbled cheddar and smoked paprika. And now it's time to add this sensational dish to a 375-degree Fahrenheit oven or a 190 degrees Celsius and bake for approximately 30 to 35 minutes. Oh my! Look at this baby. Oh, let me close my oven. Oh my, it's all I can say. So I'm going in, folks. Well, I do have to say, first and foremost, in the Caribbean, we all fight for the ends of the mac and cheese. We like those crispy edges, and since I bake it, I'm going for an end. So I'm just gonna, it's still very moist. And we usually cut it with a knife, you know, in squares. Throughout the Caribbean, some countries call it a macaroni pie, but I'm just going in with my spoon because this is just a very moist mac. Look at that. Look at those cheeses. Oh my goodness. Look at that. You can't beat that with a bat. Okay, so now I'm going in for this cheesy goodness. Oh my gosh, very hot. Don't want to burn my mouth, but just look at this. Look at how moist, luscious, rich. I call this ambrosialicious. Guys, you have to make this. This is just insane how delicious this is. And after that, all I have to say is the champ is here